Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this math tutorial, we are differentiating this expression with respect to x. And then part B, we are going to use the method of differentiation from the first principles to differentiate fx is equal to 3x squared plus 1. Now let's begin with this part. Now this can be written as dx, then x to the power 4 over 3 plus x to the power of 4. All right, and you remember this from the laws of exponents. There's this law that says a to the power m, then the nth root of that, you are going to get a to the power m over n. So I've just used that law of exponents to evaluate that. So it becomes like that. All right. Now let's go further. When you are differentiating, you are going to subtract this power from 1. All right. So I'm going to say 4 over 3 minus 1. And you are going to get x to the power 1 over 3. And then you multiply this 4 over 3 on that side. Okay, so you're going to have 4 over 3 x to the power 1 over 3. Then you're going to do the same thing. You subtract a 1, you're going to get x to the power 3, 4 minus 1, and then you bring down this 4 like that. So that part is done. All right, now let's move on to part B. On part B, we need to differentiate from the first principles. So that's B, fx is equal to 3x squared plus 1. Now the formula for doing that is given by f prime x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0, that is of fx plus h minus fx, and all of that is divided by h. All right, so now what we need to do here is to find fx plus h. Then we are going to subtract fx. Okay, so now to find fx plus h, we are going to say fx plus h is equal to, so we come back to the original function. So we're going to put x plus h wherever there's x. So we're going to have 3x plus h squared plus 1. Now let's expand that. If we expand that, we're going to have 3x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, then plus 1. I'm just gonna multiply 3 throughout that so that we remove the parentheses. We are going to have 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 1. So this is the value of fx plus h. So we are going to take that fx plus h into that. Okay, so that means we're taking that part into that, and you remember our fx is that. So we're going to put it there. All right, so we're going to say now f prime x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. Then I'm going to put this, all right, like that. So I will say 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 1, then minus fx is 3x squared plus 1. Okay, 3x squared plus 1. All right, then all of this is being divided by h. Now I'm just going to remove this bracket here. We're going to have f prime x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. So I'm just going to rewrite whatever is there. 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 1 minus 3x squared minus 1. All right, and that is being divided by h. All right, now let's move on to the next step. We are going to have f prime x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. Now, if you look at this numerator here, you're going to see that we've got 3x squared and minus 3x squared. So if we add these, we're going to get 0, okay? And then you got plus 1 minus 1, you get a 0 as well. So these terms are vanishing. So we're going to remain with only this part. All right, so we're going to have 6xh plus 3h squared. That's divided by h. All right, now we just need to divide h through that. So we're going to have f prime x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. Then you divide by h into that, you are going to get 6x, and h into that, you are going to get 3h. All right, but h is approaching 0, so we are going to get a 0 on this other part. All right, so we are going to say now f prime x, therefore f prime x is equal to 6x. Okay, then we've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.